When homeowners think about comfort, they often focus on heating and cooling systems. But in Washington, where summers can be warm and winters bring chilly temperatures, your windows play an equally important role. Picture windows, known for their large, fixed glass panels and unobstructed views, can significantly improve indoor comfort throughout every season when designed and installed properly. Here's how modern picture windows help Washington homeowners enjoy a more comfortable home year-round. Superior insulation during cold winters. Washington winters can bring cold air and temperature swings that challenge older windows. Drafts and heat loss are common problems with outdated or single-pane glass. Modern picture windows are built with advanced insulation features, including double or triple pane glass. Argon or krypton gas fills low emissivity coatings. Insulated vinyl or fiberglass frames. Because picture windows are fixed and do not open, they naturally create a tighter sealed and operable window styles. This reduces air leakage and helps keep warm air inside during winter months. The result is fewer cold spots near windows and a more consistent indoor temperature. Reducing heat gain in summer. During warmer months in Washington, sunlight streaming through large windows can raise indoor temperatures quickly. Without proper glazing, rooms can become uncomfortably warm by mid-afternoon. Energy-efficient picture windows are designed to manage solar heat gain. Low E coatings reflect infrared heat while still allowing natural light to enter. This means you can enjoy bright, sunlit spaces without overheating your living areas. By reducing heat transfer, picture windows help lower the workload on your air conditioning system, improving comfort and potentially reducing energy costs. Eliminating drafts and air leaks. Older windows often allow subtle air leaks around the frame, making it harder to maintain a stable indoor climate. Because picture windows are non-operable, they have fewer moving parts and fewer potential gaps. When professionally installed, they provide an airtight seal that limits unwanted airflow. This airtight performance supports consistent temperatures and enhances overall comfort throughout your Washington home. Maximizing natural light without compromise. Natural light has a major impact on how a home feels. Bright rooms feel larger, more welcoming, and more enjoyable to spend time in. Picture windows feature expansive glass panels that allow abundant daylight to enter. During Washington's shorter winter days, this added natural light can make a noticeable difference in mood and ambiance. At the same time, energy-efficient glazing ensures that light doesn't come at the expense of temperature control. Supporting quiet, relaxing spaces. Comfort also includes peace and quiet. Multi-pane picture windows help reduce outside noise by dampening sound vibrations. If your Washington home is near a busy street or active neighborhood, upgraded picture windows can create a calmer indoor environment, ideal for bedrooms, living rooms, and home offices. Pairing beauty with performance. Beyond performance, picture windows enhance your home's aesthetic appeal. They frame outdoor views beautifully, whether overlooking a landscaped yard, tree-lined street, or scenic surroundings. When combined with operable windows on either side, you can enjoy both ventilation and expansive views, balancing functionality and design. Professional installation is key. Even the most advanced window won't perform well without proper installation. Accurate measurements, correct insulation, and secure sealing ensure your picture windows deliver maximum comfort in every season. Working with experienced professionals ensures long-term performance and peace of mind. A year-round comfort upgrade. Picture windows do more than enhance your view. They help regulate indoor temperatures, reduce drafts, manage heat gain, and improve natural lighting. For Washington homeowners seeking improved year-round comfort, modern energy-efficient picture windows offer a practical and beautiful solution that enhances everyday living in every season.